with Jesus on his way to Damascus. But sinabi ng Panginoon, Saul, Saul. And ano po yung sagot ni Paul? Who are you, Lord? Ang unang tanong ng Panginoon ni Paul, who are you, Lord? And then after that, sinabi ng Panginoon, I am Jesus. You are persecuting. Ang sabi ni Lord, go, at malalaman mo kung ano yung iyong gagawin. Sinabi sa Acts chapter 9. But after malaman ni Pablo kung sino yung tumatawag sa kanya, pagkatapos niya marinig, ay yung pinapagawa ng tumawag sa kanya. And same thing with us. But we are saved by God, by grace, not by works. Pero we are not saved for nothing. All of us, bawat isa sa atin ay mayroong pinagagawa